Now we discuss about the equation of a tangent plane and normal line of a level surface. The equation of a tangent plane and normal line of the level surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c at the point alpha beta gamma is x minus alpha into del f del x plus y minus beta into del f del y plus z minus gamma into del f del z is equal to 0, and x minus alpha by del f del x is equal to x minus y minus beta by del f del y is equal to z minus gamma by del f del z respectively, where del f del x, del f del y and del f del z are evaluated at the point alpha beta gamma. So here it is equation of the tangent plane at the point alpha beta gamma and of the level surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c, and this is equation of the normal line at the same point alpha comma beta comma gamma of the surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c. Let us consider the level surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c is represented by the red level surface. So it is the level surface whose equation is f of x comma y comma z is equal to c, and the blue plane is the tangent plane of the level surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c at the point A whose coordinate is alpha, beta and gamma. Therefore, A point is the point of contact of the tangent plane blue plane and of the level surface red level surface. So let us consider another point P on the tangent plane whose coordinate is x comma y comma z, and we join the point P and A. Also let us consider this point is origin. We connect A and O, P and O. Also the blue line represent the equation, it is the outward normal vector. Therefore, at the point A, the outward normal vector blue line is represented by gradient of f, that is I cap del f del x plus j cap del f del y plus k cap del f del z. Also, the position vector of the point P is OP vector, which is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and position vector of the point A is OA vector, which is equal to alpha I cap plus beta j cap plus gamma k cap. Now, AP vector is equal to OP vector minus OA vector. Therefore, it is equal to x minus alpha I cap plus y minus beta j cap and z minus gamma k cap. Since the angle between the vector AP and the normal vector is 90 degree, therefore the dot product between these two vectors is 0, that is del f vector dot AP vector will be equal to 0. This implies that x minus alpha del f del x plus y minus beta del f del y plus z minus gamma del f del z equal to 0. Therefore, this is the equation of the tangent plane at the point A of the level surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c. Actually, if you consider any point on the blue plane and if you connect that point and A, then the angle between the normal line and this vector will be 90 degree, and it satisfies always this equation. So therefore, any point of the blue plane is always satisfies this equation. For that reason, it is called the equation of the normal plane. Here del f del x del f del y and del f del z are the direction ratio of the normal plane at the point P. Since del f del x del f del y and del f del z are the direction ratio of the tangent plane, therefore it means these are the direction ratio of the normal line at the point P A. Therefore, the equation of the normal line at the point alpha beta gamma, therefore the normal line passes through the point whose coordinate is alpha gamma beta gamma gamma, and having direction ratio ratios del f del x del f del y and del f del z is x minus alpha by del f del x, y minus beta by del f del y equal to z minus gamma by del f del z. So this is the equation of the blue line, that is the normal line at the point A whose coordinate is alpha comma beta gamma. Now let us consider the example. Find the equation of the tangent plane and the normal line of the surface x square y plus 2yz square plus 3xy z cube equal to 6 at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this point actually lies on the surface of this plane. To evaluate the equation of the tangent plane and normal line, first we consider f is equal to x square y plus 2yz square plus 3xy z cube minus 6. Then we find out gradient of f. It is equal to I cap del f del x plus j cap del f del y plus k cap del f del z, which is equal to I cap into 2xy plus 3 y z cube plus j cap into x square plus 2z square plus 3x j cube plus k cap into 4yz plus 9xy z square. Now at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1, gradient of f, it is equal to 5 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 13 k cap. Hence the equation of the tangent plane at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 is x minus alpha del f del x plus y minus beta del f del y plus z minus gamma del f del z equal to 0. This implies that x minus 1 into here del f del x mean 5, del f del y is equal to 6, and del f del z is 13. Therefore x minus 1 into 5 plus y minus 1 into 6 plus z minus 1 into 13 equal to 0. After simplifying this, we obtain the equation of the tangent plane as 5x plus 6y plus 13z is equal to 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 13 24. So this is the required equation of the tangent plane. Also, the direction ratio of the tangent plane is 5, 6 and 13, mean it is the direction ratio of the normal line at the point 1, 1, 1. Hence, the equation of the normal line at the point 1, 1, 1 is x minus 1 by 5, y minus 1 by 6 and z minus 1 by 13. So this is also the required equation of the normal line of the given surface at the point 1, 1, 1. Here 5, 6, 13 is the direction ratio of the normal line. Thank you.